Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. Right, we're doing something completely different today. Doing a bit of freshwater fishing, doing a bit of carp fishing. Now, I haven't done carp fishing for a long time. 2018 was the last time I went carp fishing, and I sold all my gear, well, some of it. I've just decided to have a little walk around the pond. I'm on a local pond. I just got me and my friends, well, just got day tickets for today. Maybe next year, the start of next year, I'll get a membership, get a year, so I can come fishing here every year with Alexander. But today, I'm down with Johnathan and we're fishing on the carp pond, on the bigger pond. Hopefully we can get something now. I've had a little walk around and I've already seen a fish. I've already seen a fish jump on the other side of the pond. Not on our side, unfortunately. But where it was at, it could be travelling where my friend's baits will be. So hopefully he'll pick one of them fish up. You never know. I've never really done a lot of time carp fishing. And the first time I ever went in 2018, I had no idea what the hell I was doing. But I'm out now and I'm learning. So hopefully we can get your fish on camera. Now, like I say, the only person that I've got faith in catching something is Johnathan. So if I don't get anything, I hope Johnathan will, so we can get your fish on camera. Yeah, that'd be awesome. But so far it's quite interesting. But right, I'm going to walk down here, walk to the peg, and yeah, I'll update you later on once we've got settled. First fish on, and of course it had to be Johnathan. I had more luck in Johnathan anyway. But we did move. We were down on the peg, about 20 yards down that way, and we moved up here into this open water. Snagged up. Oh, it's coming. There you are. It's still there though. So there you go, guys. We've managed to land it. I didn't want to land it while having the phone and the net in my hand, so I didn't want to make any mistakes. So I'll put the phone away And yeah, it's in the landing net. This will be the first ever carp I've ever seen in the flesh. But yeah, he's just going to get the unhook and mat sorted out, get it all nice and wet, stuff like that, get ready to unhook and take some pictures. So I'll show you that later on. Was that, so that's a linear?
Yeah.
Because the scales from head to tail.
Yeah.
Nice.
There we go.
Shouted. It's unhooked. He's not going to wait because he reckoned it's about £13, £12, £13, something like that. So he was just going to get it back in the water, let it settle for a little bit, and then we'll release. And away it goes. Right guys, we've got about an hour and a half left of the sun, which is right there. And all it needs to do is go over that top of that hill. And yeah, it's starting to get dark and we need to be off this, off the pond before it gets too dark. Like I said, we're on the last hour and a half. And for the rigs I've been using are completely new to me, to be honest. Left rod, I've got a spinner rig. And on the right rod, I have a stiff hinged rig, and I've got a bit all the way over there, and there's like a little weed patch there, and I've put mine on the edge of the weed patch. Right, it's starting to focus on my finger now, but right on the edge of that island there, I've put put one bait there, and I've put one bait about halfway between that island and where I'm fishing. There's a big deep part here in the middle, and there's a run that goes up here of weed, and I've put mine in that area somewhere. So I'm hoping fish passes along, sees my big bright yellow boilie and swallows it. But the fish that Johnathan had, he had a yellow boilie on as well, so I've got both yellow boilies on mine, so we'll see how it goes. But like I say, an hour and a half, now what happens, well, at least Johnathan had a fish, and we'll definitely come back here one day, because it's the closest one to me and easiest accessible for me as well. So we'll give it a few more tries on just day tickets, and then I'll decide in March if I'm going to buy a full year's membership to come here for a whole next year, or I'll go somewhere else. I have a place in mind, but still haven't decided yet, but I'm sure I'll let you know.